What if I told you that 2026 doesn't need motivation? It needs a plan. Not a complicated one. Not a perfect one. Just 12 months. One clear game. One simple rule. Win each month, and your life will change automatically. Most people hope 2026 will be better. But hope doesn't create results. Systems do. This is a 12-month game. A simple, powerful way to turn 2026 into your breakthrough year. This is not about overnight success. It's about small wins at stack. Think of your year like a game. Every month has one main mission. You don't rush. You don't quit. You play smart and you stay consistent. Month 1 is reset. Clean your life. Fix your sleep. Reduce distractions. Remove negativity. Create space for focus. You don't need to do more. You need to remove what's holding you back. Month 2 is discipline. Wake up on time. Do what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect in action. Month 3 is learning. Read. Watch. Practice. Choose one skill that can change your future. And work on it every single day. No rush. Just progress. Month 4 is focus. Say no more often. Protect your time. Go deep on one goal. Busy people don't win. Focused people do. Month 5 is consistency. Small actions. Every day. Even on hard days. This is where most people quit. And this is where winners are made. Month 6 is confidence. You stay consistent. Now trust yourself. Stop doubting. Start acting like the person you are becoming. Month 7 is exposure. Share your work. Apply. Post. Speak. Try. Fear fades when action becomes normal. Month 8 is refinement. Improve what works. Fix what doesn't. You are no longer guessing. You are building with clarity. Month 9 is growth. Raise your standards. Push a little harder. Expect more from yourself. Month 10 is leadership. Lead your habits. Lead your time. Lead your future. Month 11 is momentum. Things start clicking. Results appear quietly. Stay humble. Stay focused. Month 12 is reflection. Look back. You showed up. You stayed in the game. And that alone changed everything. 2026 doesn't need luck. It needs commitment. This 12-month game works because it is simple, realistic, and powerful. Play it fully, and your life will upgrade naturally. If this message helped you, subscribe to Intel Talks for more powerful ideas and real systems at work. Like this video, share it with someone who needs direction. And remember, you don't need a new year. You need a new plan.